Understand what a cause and effect essay is, it's time to talk about how to choose a topic. When you consider choosing your topic, please think about these things. Topics that interest, concern, or anger you, or situations that you've experienced or are currently experiencing in your own life. These can be personal, academic, or professional. And really, this topic is unlimited. So I've just given a couple of examples for each one. For example, in the personal or related to your life, the topic of moving to another residence is clearly a cause and effect topic. A hobby like quilting, skateboarding, this is a topic that would make a great cause and effect paper. In the academic area, which of course relates to anything in your field of study, the topic of making a better grade in, and you put in a particular class, could become a great cause and effect paper, or why people choose to become a particular kind of major. You can put in the major there. In the area of professional or related to your job, a couple of topics that came to my mind were trying to get your next raise, or explaining why so many people quit. All of these would make great cause and effect papers. Please note, when you pick a topic, ask yourself, do I want to explain why? If so, you're going to write an essay that gives multiple causes or reasons that lead to one result. For example, why do people get tattoos? There are multiple causes leading to this one result. Another question that we can ask ourselves, do I want to explain what happens if that's what you want to do, you're going to write an essay that gives multiple outcomes of one situation or circumstance. For example, what happens if people do not exercise their bodies? In this situation, there's one cause, not exercising, and several results or outcomes. Let me show you some samples from previous students. They told me I could share these, so I will. Why do people join the military? Why are children placed for adoption? Why do couples divorce? Remember, in all three of these questions, which start with why, there are multiple reasons that lead to one consequence: joining the military, placing the child for adoption, or getting the divorce. Another kind of question that you can ask is the what if question. What happens if people use illegal drugs regularly? What happens if a tornado or the weather disaster of your choice impacts a city or town? What happens if someone does not have access to a reliable internet connection? So why questions and what happens if questions are instantly setting up a research question or a focus question that helps you to set up a cause and effect paper. Now, although I used the word research a moment ago, let me emphasize, since this course does not require research, it is great if you choose a topic that you are already familiar with and do not need to research. Some final thoughts for this short video. It's always better to have more possible topics than too few. So as you begin, make a list of cause and effect topics you think you might like to write about. After making your list, ask a couple of friends or family members to look at it and tell you which of your topics sound most interesting to them. Ultimately, you should choose the one that seems most compelling or interesting to you. Now it's time to think about what you want to prove in your cause and effect essay. So please check out the next topic, cause effect essay, thesis statement. Thank you.